It's about
School love.
definitely about school love. About she's also a good actress. I saw one of her music video with Marabang, that guy. So this is how Indian will fall in love. It was by mistake. It was by mistake. If it was you, they would have slapped you now. Now she's happy. Wow, just like that.
I was waiting.
Hello everyone, welcome back, Khasi people, Meghallian, Shillong people. What is the capital city of Meghallian?
Shillong.
Yes, Shillong. I just say it to you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So welcome.
Yeah. Thank you for inviting me to your channel. I am Malik's Eyes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You will find his channel link below in the description, guys. He's also doing reaction to the Khasi people. So he's giving his time, his love, guys. Kindly support him. He's my brother from Mali, guys.
Yeah.
Subscribe to his channel. Do it kindly, guys. And today he's with me here to enjoy Ramsuchiang. You know Ramsuchiang?
No.
Ramsuchiang, if they ask you, mention any best singer from Meghalaya, just say Ramsuchiang.
Okay. He's a singer.
He's a legend, like we can say he's a legend. This guy is singing, like you won't see him in the video here,
Okay.
but he's just singing.
Okay. He's not in the clip.
It's not in the clip. He will
Alright.
sing.
Okay. I see.
Song composer like that. He's a
Yeah,
very
I
good
see.
singer. So this song is sung by him. It's very good. I think you reacted to him before, but you did not notice that.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure,
So now
sure.
you came to know about Ramsuchiang.
Yes.
So today we are reacting to Kynsan Ramsuchiang and Larihun Lapang official
Yeah.
music video. Yes, sir. Let's do it, guys. Make sure to subscribe to Malik. And if you are not yet a part of my family, do it now. Let's go. Ramsuchiang
This give me a vibes of one song after. Okay.
That guy, I think, is the Joelan. This guy, yeah. He's also a very good actor. He has a channel.
I think this song is about school life, right?
I don't know.
Right. That's something like that.
I think it's about
School love.
definitely about school love. About she's also a good actress. I saw one of her music video with Marabang, that guy. So this is how Indian will fall in love. It was by mistake. It was by mistake. If it was you, they would have slapped you now. Now she's happy. Wow, just like that.
I was waiting for my kid to screen before coming.
Maybe in Meghalaya it's easy. We'll go and try that. Okay?
Yeah.
I'll go and push you. I'll go and push you.
I'm waiting for my kid.
So happy. Just made him like that. So sweet. See how she looks? She looks totally different, right?
Why you boys are like this?
Yes, still.
No, I'm telling you,
And they're
you know,
pushing him.
if you love one girl, they will try to do everything to push you to that girl.
It's hot, guys. Very hot here. Fan is on, but we are sweating like nothing.
I'm like this guy, totally shy in front of girls.
Yeah, it's a shy boy. Now you go the number.
Hey.
Yes. Now everything is working right. Always in love. Life is about love. I love everyone who also listen to Khasi song, they will definitely think of being in a relationship because most of the songs are love. Yeah, it's over. That is nice. As long as Ramsuchiang is the singer,
Yeah,
definitely this song is good.
I really like
Everything is good,
it. I
guys.
love it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, if just someone suggested you like to react to the song and you find out that song is written, the name is Ramsuchiang, do it, man, do it.
Yeah.
He has a lot of fans. People love listening to him
Okay.
because they feel good. Yeah.
I see.
So what do you like in this video? What did you get?
This video is making me nostalgic. Yeah, you know, people like me, we are single. We are doing this type of things. What?
Yeah, this song. Yeah, I'm also adding this for single people, whether you or whoever is watching. If you're single, don't listen to Ramsuchiang because most of his song also is about love,
I see.
feelings, emotion, and also encouraging.
Yeah.
Yeah, most of his songs. So don't react if you're single, okay? Yeah, but
It's very nice, you know.
yeah, it's very nice.
I love it.
Yeah, at least you might feel love it even if you're single.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. That is it, guys.
I'm still waiting for my Indian dream by the end.
No, we'll do that. He's single, guys, but I just found out that it is so easy to fall in love in Meghalaya or Shillong.
You see Indians.
So
they
we'll
just
go
fall
to
in love
Meghalaya
like
very soon.
Slowly like this.
And we'll go to that center zone like the Shillong. They have that roundabout junction.
Yeah, I've
There's
seen
so
that.
many girls will find there. I'll just push you. I'll push you on a girl. And if she hold you, no, you're the one to hold or she. If I push you.
If you push me, she will hold me.
Okay, I have to push the girl. Okay, I have to push the girl.
Yeah.
I have to push the girl and you hold her.
Yeah, exactly.
Done. Then this is how you save, like you save her life. Definitely she will fall in love with you.
Guys, he's joking, okay?
But those guys, they push the boy.
Yeah, they push the boy.
And who hold it? It was the boy also.
Yeah, the boy. That's crazy.
How can they do that? It
And the
doesn't
second
make
time
sense.
They
Huh?
have tried to push the boy to go to talk with the girl.
Yeah.
My friends used to do this to me, and I didn't like it.
No, but in that music video, they are supposed to push. Yeah,
the
it's,
boy
it's
because
okay.
they knew the boy loves the girl.
Okay.
Yeah, so then
Okay, they push and the girl they push the boy on her and she tried to fall, then he hold.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice, no problem. But yours will be different. Like I will push the girl. I will act like a stranger. I'll just push the girl and you hold the girl. So it's like you save her, and this how you will get a Khasi girl, Meghalayan girl. You will fall in love, and it will work, right? Tell us, guys, will it work or not? So thank you so
tell us
much. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to Malik also.
thank you.
Peace out. Love from Africa.